Kaffir lime leaves, commonly used in Southeast Asian cuisine, are not just a flavor-enhancing ingredient, they also provide several potential health benefits. These aromatic leaves, derived from the Kaffir lime tree, Citrus hystrix, contain bioactive compounds that contribute to their medicinal properties. Here are some key health benefits. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Kaffir lime leaves are loaded with antioxidants like flavonoids and limonoids, which help combat oxidative stress. These compounds can reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Boosts digestive health. The essential oils in Kaffir lime leaves, such as citronellol and limonene, can support digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and soothing the stomach. These leaves are also traditionally used to alleviate bloating, indigestion, and cramps. 3. Antimicrobial properties. Kaffir lime leaves exhibit antimicrobial and antifungal properties. They may help fight harmful bacteria and fungi, contributing to better oral health and reduced risk of infections. 4. Supports immune system. The high concentration of vitamin C in Kaffir lime leaves strengthens the immune system. The leaves also contain compounds that may enhance the body's ability to ward off illnesses and speed up recovery from colds or flu. 5. Promote skin health. Kaffir lime leaves are known for their detoxifying properties. The antioxidants and essential oils can help reduce acne, blemishes, and signs of aging by improving skin health and stimulating blood circulation. 6. Stress relief. The aromatic compounds in Kaffir lime leaves, particularly citronellol, have calming effects. Inhaling their scent or using them in teas can reduce stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Promoting relaxation. Anti-inflammatory effects. Kaffir lime leaves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, making them potentially beneficial for conditions like arthritis, allergies, or other inflammatory disorders. 8. Improves respiratory health. The essential oils in Kaffir lime leaves can help clear nasal passages and ease breathing. They are often used in traditional remedies to alleviate symptoms of colds, coughs, and sinus infections. 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. Emerging studies suggest that Kaffir lime leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a potential complementary treatment for diabetes management. How to use Kaffir lime leaves. In cooking, add them to soups, curries, and stir-fries for flavor. Tea. Brew fresh or dried leaves in hot water for a refreshing drink. Essential oil. Use it in aromatherapy or as a massage oil for relaxation. Skin care. Grind the leaves into a paste or infuse them in oils for topical applications. While Kaffir lime leaves are safe for most people, consuming them in moderation is advisable. If you're using them for therapeutic purposes, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice.